Hello friends, let's discuss today what is industrial chemistry. You can see this image of oil refinery. This is a very big project. You can also see that large reactors, several processors and other things. So working in a laboratory on a small scale and production in the industry on the large scale is the very different thing. So let's discuss what is industrial chemistry. So we know that chemistry has several branches. Normally we consider organic, inorganic, physical or analytical. These are the major branches of organic chemistry. But along with that, environmental chemistry, biochemistry, polymer chemistry, medicinal chemistry and industrial chemistry. These are also branches of chemistry and deals with the different aspects. So we are concentrating only what is industrial chemistry. So this is the definition of industrial chemistry. It deals with the commercial production of chemicals and related byproducts from natural raw materials and their derivatives. So it particularly related to the commercial production of chemicals and other products. For example, from nitrogen we can prepare ammonia by simple Haber process. From sulfur we can prepare sulfuric acid. So this industrial chemistry specifically related to the mechanism and method to produce any product at a large scale with great efficiency. So along with these things, one important thing is that cost effectiveness. Whatever the product produced in the industry should be cost effective. So this cost effective aspect is very important while producing any products. When you observe all the industries, so polymers are synthesized in a large components. Almost 80% products are from polymer division. So plastics, especially polythene, polypropylene, polyvinyl chloride, polystyrene, these are some products. So these are some other products, depends upon that example. It is categorized into several product types: inorganic industrial, organic industrial, ceramic products, petrochemicals, agrochemicals, polymers, elastomers, oleochemicals, explosives, fragrances and flavors, and industrial gases. So these are some types. So this is the 2015 survey and chemical sales of various industries, and according to that survey these industries are ranked. So at first rank BASF. This industrial chemistry is from Germany. This is a Dow Chemical from United States. This is Sinopec from China. So at top 10 there is no any Indian industry. In top 20 also there is no any Indian industry. But at 23rd place there is a Reliance Industries. So we are so behind comparing to these developed countries. So we need to make some more efforts to get a proper rank or higher rank. So this is the specific classification between the classical chemistry and industrial chemistry. So first point is that in classical chemistry, whatever the reaction procedure is designed to produce the product at a very small scale. But in industrial chemistry, that production is at large scale. So while working in laboratory, the parameters such as temperature, pressure, concentration are set through manual methods or normal methods. But in industry, we require some sophisticated equipments like computers to maintain temperature, pressure and all other parameters. Different equipments and instruments may not be required in a small scale production, but different equipment and instruments are used in industrial processes. Material balance and energy balance may not be considered in a classical chemistry, but material balance and energy balance are to be considered in industrial chemistry. Cost effectiveness is the important aspect of the industrial chemistry which may not be considered at a small scale. And last one is the only chemist can perform the chemical process and all other part. But in industrial chemistry, along with chemist, other experts from other departments like chemical engineers, mechanical experts are required depending upon that procedure or that batch of reactions. So friend, this is the small introduction of industrial chemistry and differentiation between the classical chemistry and industrial chemistry. Thank you for watching this video.